Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. We're here at Latitude 29 Surf Shop, and we're going to talk Mardi Gras. March 1st, big parade down here. It's a kickoff really for the year for us, probably.
Yeah, for sure. For spring break, it's right after that.
Spring break, and then Easter's April 20th. But we were in here a couple weeks ago, and we showed a bunch of T-shirts. Let's talk about what else, because you've got plenty of beads on the back of this wall, but you've got some other Mardi Gras themed memorabilia.
Yeah, we went to Atlanta Market, and Bella went shopping. This is a company called Royal Standard. We added a couple more T-shirts and sweatshirts from there. We added platters bowls for entertaining, some little bags, and some.
What are these, Mike?
It's just a decorative item.
Oh, okay.
So it's a fleur-de-lis. You want to spell it?
No.
This is a fleur-de-lis, and it's just a decorative. It's a little glass decorative item.
Cool. Koozies.
We've got some koozies. We've got some swigs that are Mardi Gras specific. I have some Mardi Gras specific straws for the swigs. We've got, little towels. We've got on the back side. We've got beads and a couple of hats and.
They've got plenty of beads if you're looking for beads.
Some magnets, some paper placemats. So this is pretty cool. This is a just rip off paper placemats, and there's 25 in here.
You're going to have something special out here. Usually you have your parking lot blocked off, don't you?
Yes, we will be doing that again. We will be blocking off our parking lot.
Saturday.
And then setting some chairs out there. Bring your own chairs. Kid friendly. What we wanted to do is make it as kid friendly as possible, so you don't have people driving behind us, driving through the parking lot. So you can park on either side of our building. You can park on the grass on this side. You can park underneath the carport if there's space. You can park behind the shop. You just can't park in front of our building. That way we have a friendly space. Great view for everybody in a friendly space to be able to watch the Mardi Gras parade.
Because the parade really is cranked up by the time it's not at the beginning and it's not at the end. This is really a prime location to watch it, because they've gotten going. Everyone's in the mood, is throwing beads and candy.
They haven't run out of beads.
They haven't run out of beads yet. They're not tired. They haven't had too much adult beverage, and so come on down and enjoy the parade here at Latitude 29 Surf Shop. I know last year they had that whole area blocked off. Kids were running around having a good time. Won't have any moon pies probably this year.
No moon pies this year, but we'll have some kind of food. I haven't quite figured out the food solution, but we'll have some food out there. We'll have some drinks out there. We'll have music playing. We'll have some turtle boxes out there. And
just a good time.
Just having a great time in a safe environment.
Right. Well, we're going to head on out. Remember, if you're looking for a true Texas surf shop / boutique, because I'm going to throw it both resort style clothing.
Yeah, lifestyle clothing.
Lifestyle clothing. You got to stop by Latitude 29 Surf Shop, or you can find them online at www.latitude29surfshop.com. I'm going to head on out. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live with Mike from Latitude 29 Surf Shop. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.